Why did the colonists fight the British? Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? When do we celebrate Independence Day? Thomas Jefferson was born in 1743, where Virginia is today. In 1743, when Thomas Jefferson was born, Great Britain had colonies in North America. By 1775, the colonists in North America were paying Great Britain a lot of money in taxes. The British Army stayed in the colonists' houses and ate their food. The colonists did not have their own government. They could not make their own laws. Great Britain had their own laws for the colonists. In 1775, the colonies went to war with Great Britain. Thomas Jefferson was a very good writer. He wrote the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence said that American colonies should be free from British rule. On July 4, 1776, Thomas Jefferson and the other founding fathers signed the Declaration of Independence. The United States became a country on July 4, 1776. Independence Day is celebrated every year on July 4th. 4th of July celebrations are very popular throughout the country and are celebrated with fireworks. Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes, taxation without representation, because the British Army stayed in their houses, because they didn't have self-government. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4, 1776. When do we celebrate Independence Day? July 4th.